best auto-tune setting for singers in 2025. Let's do this right after the intro. Yo, the name is Gossa once again, and still the solution career, providing solutions to your problems. Hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel. Turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Alright guys, you are in FL Studio now, and I'm going to show you the best auto-tune setting for singers in 2025. Alright, so first thing first, what you have to do is to know the key for that particular beat or instrument that you are using. Alright, so if you don't know how to detect the right key, then you can download Virtual DJ, and all you have to do is to drag that particular instrument or vocals to this side, then Virtual DJ will give you the key if you watch here. Alright, so first thing, you have to know the key before you can actually get the best auto-tune for any singer that you are recording. Now let's go back to FL Studio. Alright, so now let's listen to these vocals without any auto-tune.
Cause I got no problem with you, girl. You got no problem with me, so come to me, baby. Come to me, talk to me, yeah.
Alright, so if an artist is good in singing like this, after detecting the key, all you have to do is to route it to the mixer track as I've done. So we're going to use auto-tune artist, and first thing you have to do if you want to get the best auto-tune setting for your vocals and make your artist sound natural is to go by the 20-20-20 rules, or the 30-30% rules. What do I mean by the 20-20% rules? The routine speed is how much you want to pitch your vocals. Alright, so the more you push it up, the more you're gonna sound like the T-Pain effect. Alright, the more you're gonna sound auto-tune. Alright, and the flex tune is how you can actually use to control the amount of how those notes with long sustain, how should they transit to another note. Alright, so now we're gonna crank the routine speed all the way up, and let's listen as we crank everything all the way up with zero flex tune, and I will show you the best settings. So first thing first, the key is minor C. Alright, so let's get the key first. It was C minor. I've already done that. Alright, then the input type, all you have to do is to play with the input type, the soprano, the alto, tenor, and choose the best one for your vocals. Alright, so now let's play this one as we crank the routine speed all the way up with zero flex tune.
Cause I got no problem with you, girl. You got no problem with me, so come to me, baby. Come to me, talk to me, yeah. I got no problem with you, girl. You got no problem with me, so come to me, baby.
Alright, now you can actually hear that we are sounding too much auto-tune. I mean, too much T-Pain effect. Alright, but if you want to get the best auto-tune setting for any artist who is good in singing, all you have to do is to use the 20% rule. Alright, so bring it the routine speed until you get 20% like this. Alright, now listen.
Cause I got no problem with you, girl. You got no problem with me, so come to me, baby. Come to me, talk to me, yeah. I got no problem with you, girl. You got no problem with me, so come to me, baby.
Now you can actually hear that we are sounding a little bit auto-tune and also sounding natural. Alright, and what you can also do is to push the humanize knob to 20% like this. Guys, super simple. Now listen.
Cause I got no problem with you, girl. You got no problem with me, so come to me, baby. Come to me, talk to me, yeah. I got no problem with you, girl. You got no problem with me, so come to me, baby. Come to me, talk to me, yeah.
Alright guys, this is super simple. Give the video a like if it helps you. Let me know where you are watching me from. Alright, so push the routine speed all the way to 20%, then the humanize tool to 20%, and you will get the best auto tune setting for that particular artist who is good in singing. This is super simple. If this video helps you, give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. But how can you change your cheap microphone vocal that you recorded to expensive microphone using a simple VST plugin? Then watch the video that will pop up on the screen. Until then, leave a comment, like, share. Let me know where you are watching me from. Do more music, come back for more. See you in the next video. Stay blessed.